Bucatini al Limone. We have a bucatini. I have it in salted water, a little olive oil, a few slices of garlic, pepperoncini, some pepper. Okay, we're just gonna stir this around. I'm going to add lemon juice, lemon zest of 3 lemons. And what I'm gonna add to that is just a little pasta water. Now, I'm just gonna put that right in the broth. So we have the pasta now, it's cooking into this, a little bit of butter. To this, we're gonna add some fresh green beans for a little color. It's pecorino romano, but I've really grated it, and then we're gonna toss it in. You wanna toss in cheese always 1 or 2 times. Okay, a little bit more, and I think we're good to go. Ooh. Pasta al limone.
I love the addition of the green beans in there.
Is that good? A little parsley.
Oh.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay.
The freshness of the green beans are popping. This is delicious. The lemon is so bright in here.